So this small demonstration, I'm going to demonstrate how we're changing the site logo with an alternative logo. This is pretty convenient for demos or even for production cases. So in order to do so, we can provide custom data sets. So by default, the full site is provided by static data. We can basically merge some custom data in. So you see here that we're adding this merge object. It comes with a selector, which in this case is the site logo, but could have any path to any of the compositions or components that we use. And we're choosing a merge type, which is patch. And as long as we do not provide any content, there's nothing to patch, but here we're going to add some content. So the image component comes with both a graphic or an image. And so the graphic, we move it to null, so that the current logo is dropped, and we're adding a new logo. So let's just Google for a famous brand, and let's see what do we have here. And let's copy over the URL of this image, which happens to be an SVG. And so we can now copy in this SVG here in this image a field. And there you go. The logo is replaced while still remaining the functionality and the layout, which is pretty awesome. So by just providing additional data on top of the composable storefront data, we have a small customization done.